Cheers, everybody. Welcome. Today we're doing an unboxing of the Mainstays single serve coffee maker and Black Rifle Coffee Company. All right. We're going to use the salty caramel latte. I'm going to put one in here. See if I can do this one hand. I'm going to put one in here. Okay, we got the salty caramel one. We're going to just stick it right in there. Close. We already put the water in. And now you just hit capsule. And it's going to heat up and give us the coffee. And we're going to be using Great Value Italian creamer, sweet creamer. Look at it go. We already put our sugar and creamer in my coffee cup. All right, look at that go. Never had the Black Rifle Coffee Company coffee before. The salty caramel latte is going to be my first time trying it with Italian cream, sweet cream, and regular sugar, and granulated sugar. And I put just enough butter for one good old cup. All right, I believe she's done. Okay, she's done. Cut that off. Now I'm going to take my coffee and pour it in. All right. This video is sponsored by North Carolina Wood Duck Program. Cheers. I highly recommend that. That's a cool little machine, $20. Coffee, coffee's coffee. Like $8 a box or whatever. But you get it. Creamer's a few dollars. Get it. And enjoy. Have a great one. Please smash that thumbs up. Yeah, comment. Subscribe if you haven't. More unboxings coming. Peace, y'all. We're out.